going to make banana bread, banana loaf, whatever you want to call it. Because someone behind the camera has never had one before, and I feel like in your lifetime you need to try it. And I'm not going to go to the shop and get stuff, I'm just going to do with what I can. There was no baking powder in the shops the other day, so I don't know, I might add an extra egg, I'm not sure. I'll see how it is. But I'm pretty much just dumping everything in. And I don't need to line the loaf to it because we have these amazing, that's gonna fall, isn't it? We have these amazing loaf tin pre-cut out things. So, step 2 done. The oven's already on at 180, and I need the butter and sugar together first. And I don't even know if I have enough butter, but we'll see. Where's the thing? Oh. Okay, how much sugar? 140. Cost for sugar. And then I watched Zoella's baking, well, her vlog the other day, and she did a banana bread, and she put dark sugar or muscovado sugar on top, so it was a little bit crispy, and I'm going to try that as well. I'm not even looking at the scales. Should probably try doing that. Luckily bought some more sugar the other day, so 140. Do I have enough butter? This recipe, this is the BBC Good Food recipe. It says unsalted. Don't have that. I'm not going to use it. 140. Oh, the same amount. Oh, we're going to need to go get some more butter. Oh dear. Oh no. Okay, we're just going to go with whatever's in here. I'm pretty sure I've made it before where I didn't use butter, I used oil or something instead. And it came out like, still came out fine. Yeah, I need butter. I need the mixer. Slowly add 2 beaten eggs. I'm not going to bother doing that. I'm just going to dump the eggs in one by one. This is lazy man's banana bread. The other one. And I need flour. Self-raising flour. I discovered the other day we have self-raising flour but organic brown. So this is going to be a relatively healthy recipe. Maybe. I don't know. Might not even be healthy. And another 140 grams. Oh, this recipe should be quite easy to remember. Whoops! Oh well. Oh, the bananas! Okay, 2 bananas. And this is why you make banana bread. Brown bananas, by the way. Perfect thing to do with them. In Mauritius we have banana tarts. So good. shit. Oh, they're not that soft. Oh, they are. Okay, that'll do, so just can't bother. The flowers go. 5 bits, not all in one. Okay, that's incorporated. You don't want to overdo it, so put the banana straight in. See how neat I am about this, guys. It's definitely a lot thicker of a batter than I normally would have. Have I missed anything? No, but because I don't have the baking powder, I'm going to put another egg in. I'm winging it here. As lots of people would say, never stick to a recipe. Okay, that definitely feels better. I do have dark brown sugar, so I am going to put this on top. Clear as you go, or shove things where they fit. That's what I do. Okay. Ooh! Shit! It's all good. Fine, fine, fine! I always, if I have too much batter, which I think this is when it's fine. If I do, because I never follow a recipe properly, I put a bit of the batter into muffin tins, and you have muffins too. But I wouldn't recommend doing it how I do it, because one, you make a mess, and two, baking is supposed to be a science, and you're supposed to do it to the book. Again. That is good. Okay.
So far, so good.
Wipe off the crap that I spilled. And then obviously it's going to rise. I'm going to put. How do I do this without getting my hands? Okay, my hands are dirty. And hopefully this gets all crispy. On top. I don't know if this was to use muscovado or just dark sugar, dark brown sugar. I guess we'll see. Okay, how long does it say? Maybe I should wash my hands first. Okay, this says cook for half an hour. I don't believe that this is going to be done for half an hour, so I'll put half an hour on the clock. Something's burning in the oven. Needs to be cleaned. Put these stupid ways. Okay. Half an hour on. And we'll check it, but normally they take at least 45 minutes, sometimes an hour. So we'll see then. The alarm's going off, but I'm pretty sure it's not done. Oh. Potentially. No, I don't think it is. I'm gonna get a clean knife and poke it in. Oh no. There's no way. I didn't think half an hour was long enough. So, I'm gonna put it back in for at least another 10. And then if the top is too dark, I'm going to put foil over it so it doesn't burn. But another 10 minimum, if not more. I don't know why they said half an hour. Definitely, banana bread always takes at least 40 minutes. It's not going to be done yet, I don't think. I think it's still needs a little time. Yeah, it's still wobbly. I'm going to stir it again, but I'm pretty sure. No! Still gooey in there. I think I'm going to leave the top for now. I'm not going to put anything on it. Just put another 10 minutes on. So in the meantime I put foil on it because I didn't want it to burn. But let's have a check. Clean. Ready. I'm gonna take it the foil. Set it on here for a bit, for like a few minutes, and then take it out of the tin and just have it with the parchment paper on here for a few minutes to cool. Then we can eat. Okay, taste test. Do you like the end or the middle?
Not fussed.
Yeah, I'll give you a middle piece. I prefer a middle piece. Ooh! What? You want more than one?
Please, miss, can I have some more? No,
Try it first! You're the one that hasn't had banana cake, so you've got to try it first.
Okay, moment of truth.
The top is crispy. Use the word. He's just closing his eyes.
That's good. That is good. That is really, really good.
Have you never had it before?
Nope.
Good, right? Let's
First
take
time?
a slice up to mama. And we got some interesting stuff coming up. I have this origami set that I bought a long time ago. And it's times like these where you can try stuff like that. So that will be coming up. So, we'll see you soon. Oh, and bake a banana bread. It's good. Why not? You've got time.